So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect YouTube music video to Discord status. So guys, if you want to connect it, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you open your Chrome, and where you go to the Chrome extensions. So guys, here you go, open your extensions page. Okay, like Chrome, web store of extensions. Now simply go and open it. When you open it, guys, here you see the option of search. So search for the extension and the theme. Here you simply search your YouTube Discord presence. Here you check. So basically it helps you to how to get the so you also watch this video if you have any confusion. So you just go here and add it into your Chrome. Okay, now add this extension. Okay, then guys go here and download this Chrome extension. Okay, then go back, and guys there is a one file that is for Windows. When you move downward, where is the file? Now guys, here you see there is when you add the extension, guys, download the latest YTP MS file, browse actions to repository to run it on your device. So simply click on the option releases. After that, move downloads, and guys, download this .msi extension file. Just click it, then save it. Then you go here and click where it is download, and again click it, and it shows window protected. So guys, you need to allow with your uh, defender, window defender. So for this, simply go for the security. Okay, in the security, you check virus threat. So here, when you go to your file again, then guys, here you go and click to open it, go for more info, then guys click the option of run away. Okay, so you just install it and use the extension for connect YouTube music to your Discord status. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.